Hope everyone had a great weekend. I actually can't think about what day this is gonna post, so it might not be anywhere near your weekend, but it's close to my weekend. Today's Monday. I decided to take a stroll through Black Rose. Over the weekend, I went shopping with my friend Jocelyn. I didn't do a video because I was just honestly having so much fun in the here and now. But after I go to Black Rose, I'm gonna go home and do an unboxing of all the stuff I got while I was at Emmitsburg with her. Oh, a bunch of little Joseph Original girls. $11 and 20%. That's about retail on a lot of these. I haven't had the best luck with these. And this one, haven't seen that one before. Whoa, look at that vanity set. Dresser set with clock works, $38.95. So you get the mirror tray, the perfume bottles, the dresser jar, and the clock. I feel like $39 and 20% off. That's a really good deal. I'm really obsessed with the perfume bottles, although it looks like they're just the casings for them and there's not the actual bottle in them. Oh, and then this manicure set. How much is that? $12.95 and 20%. It's got the little ballerina in it. I kind of can't resist that. I've never really bought and sold manicure sets before, but because it's got the little ballerina, I'm kind of tempted. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna walk around and then come back. And if I'm still thinking about this stuff, then I'm gonna take it out and get a better look at it. And then the Easter plate. It's definitely a newer one, 93. It even looks newer than the other ones you see out. I'm kind of into this egg. $3.95. Looks to be newer. I'm a little confused. How are these just sitting here? $4.95. All right, so admittedly, hold on, let me pull them out here. Admittedly, they're not in great condition. They're missing an eye and they're just the casings. It's got a little bit of wear. I think I might actually put these back. I know, people are probably like, you're crazy, but it's the ones next to it that really catch my eye. Hold on, let me put these down. All right, so they're not in great condition. Is that a crack? Yeah. It's a crack, dang. I was gonna say, I was definitely gonna snag these up even though they were just the casings. Is it crack or dirt? It's cracked all the way through. And looks like it might come apart. That's why they're still there. Dang, that was upsetting because these sell for a lot. These ones usually sell for like $45 in good condition. Still gonna check out the little toaster. This is one of my favorite little sets. $4.95. Let's see. It's missing its bottom. Yeah. Okay, so there's a reason all this stuff's still here. Dang. What is this? Is this no, it's a puzzle. That's super cute. I'm not sure how well that would sell, though. The price is definitely right. That's kind of an interesting tile. Huh. What's going on with this mug here? It looks like McCoy. Yep. $15. That's about what I'd get for that after fees, unfortunately. Ooh, I kind of like this pottery. I've bought in a few vases like this before. They kind of took a while to sell. That's nice too. I like the shape. What about this swung vase here? $35 firm. Looks like it's new, honestly. This owl wall pocket is pretty interesting. Let's see, hold on, let me move some stuff around here. Oh, 42, just kidding. I thought it said 12. That's a big difference. Leave that one there on the wall there. What is this? Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Well, it definitely looks a little newer. It's $12, but it's so stinking cute. It's not marked, so I'm gonna pull the tag back just to make sure, but it looks like it's a handmade piece. Yeah, this is too cute to pass up. I think I'm able to make a couple bucks off this. It's pretty adorable. I also really like these carved wood cats. I see stuff like this at Boonesboro all the time. Set of 3, 21. I haven't had much luck with stuff like that, so I'm not gonna pick it up for that price, but I feel like that's fair. Kind of into the tiger bookends too. Oh, they're piggy bank bookends. I've had those before. $30 is about what I got for mine after fees too. All right, well, I've decided to pass on this vanity set since there's no glass in the bottles and it's just the cases. It's still a really good deal, but I don't feel like Ship is selling it as a set, and I don't feel like getting stuck with this mirror tray, which is considered oversized in USPS, which is how Etsy ships. I am gonna go ahead and take a better look at this, though. I'm really into it. I'm not sure how well it will sell, but I'm gonna take a chance on it for that price. So, total disclosure, I totally fell asleep after I came home from Black Rose yesterday. I was like, what's this giant bag on my kitchen table when I got back? And I was like, oh yeah, I was supposed to unbox that. So, I'm gonna give you a glimpse of what I got when I was out shopping this past weekend with Jocelyn. All right, so the first thing I got was this little owl picture. I paid $10 for it, which is probably pretty close to what I'll get for it after fees, but I just couldn't resist. It was absolutely adorable, and it's got a little hook to hang on the wall. It's kind of glittery. So I finally got one of those nursery rhyme baskets by Jay Chen, or I'm not sure if I'm saying that right actually, but I've always wanted one of these. I'm not gonna keep it, I'm gonna put it in my Etsy shop. It's just kind of the thrill of finding one that's priced right. This one was $18, but it was 40% off. So it's in pretty good condition. It's got a little wear, but in the grand scheme of things, it's a great find. Then the peanut situation happened. I think I'm gonna hold off on selling this because I wanna keep it and stash it away as a gift for a friend. I kind of freaked out when I saw this. It's a peanut, but it's got a little celluloid person in it. I just thought that was the cutest thing ever, and it was only $6. It's definitely, yeah, it's got some damage on it. He's kind of taped together, but still, nevertheless, pretty adorable, pretty unique, and I don't think I've seen one inside a peanut before. This is a cool one. I found this creamer. It's hand painted. It's kind of Halloween themed. It's got the butterfly and the snake and the witch. It definitely looks like it's got some age to it. I would assume it's made in Japan, but it's not marked. It's also got a little texture on the spots. It's really quite an interesting piece. I haven't seen one like it before, and it was only $9, so I scooped that up. The next thing I got was this mushroom trivet. It's in like pristine condition. Mushrooms usually sell pretty well. I paid like $10 for it. I love the green. And these are usually kind of overpriced when I find them, so I don't think I've had one like this in my shop before. All right, so I have this weird thing with Dion quintuplets. I have no idea why, but I think they're so neat. I always loved Dion quintuplet merch. So I found this snack set. It was pieced individually, so they were like $3 to $4 a piece, which normally kind of bothers me, but it was so cheap I didn't mind. So I ended up paying like 18 bucks or something for the whole set. So we got the plate, and then it comes with the bowl. And last but not least, the mug. So they had a couple extra pieces that maybe in hindsight I should have grabbed, but I liked the fact that it was the whole set. Normally I'm a big fan of buying multiples of things and selling things individually, but this one I am gonna keep together. Even though I bought it separately, it's gonna be sold as a set. Then I grabbed this cuss box. I just thought it was kind of funny. It was like $6. I'm not sure how well it will sell because it's like brown in the wood, but just kind of funny. And then the back side was in really good condition too. This one I paid up for sure. It was pretty close to retail, but I just couldn't resist. I had it once and it sold immediately. It's a cat spoon rest and ashtray. And in case you're like, that's not an ashtray, it literally says ashtray on it, which is so funny because I'm totally someone who's guilty of calling things an ashtray that aren't an ashtray. But I paid $12 for it, which was pretty close to retail. But the fact that it was just like such a cute cat and it had 3 purposes, ashtray, spoon rest, and wall hanging, I couldn't resist. And then I got really lucky. I spotted this immediately in a case. It's a little bone china mermaid. I got her for super cheap. I can't remember what the exact price was. I'll have to watch Jocelyn's video when it comes out because I was really excited about it. I want to say it was like $8. These usually sell for like $35, $38 for me. And of course, salt and pepper shakers. So, ooh, let me not break it. I got the Holt Howard Scarecrow salt and pepper shakers. They're in pretty good condition and they come with their original holder. I only paid $8 for them. Normally I don't pick these up because they're pricey and they're kind of everywhere. So since I didn't pay that much for them, I can afford to put a good, decent price to get them moving out the door. Is this the last thing I got? I guess this is the last thing I got. The last thing I got was the Emmett Kelly Teapot Clown salt and pepper shakers. They definitely have a tiny bit of paint loss on them on the sides. They normally do. But for $8, I couldn't really resist. They were just so weird. So that's what I found, and I'm gonna get up, get dressed, redress, and hit the antique malls.